Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Write the decimal value of the fraction 6 by 1000. So 6 by 1000 we have to convert it into decimal. So first of all we can see that the denominator have 3 zeros. So let us draw the table so that we can convert this fraction into decimal. So first of all we will write a decimal point, then we can see that it has 3 zeros in the denominator. So we will write 10th, then 100th and then thousands place. Now let us fill the numbers. So decimal point is represented by point. Now there is 6 in the numerator, so that will come in the thousands place here because there are 3 zeros in the denominator and the rest will be filled with 0. So in this way we convert 6 by 1000 this fraction into decimal. We can write it as 0.006. So this is our answer.